Hey friends, if you wish to log off your computer or sign out from Windows, then please watch this video. Now, if signing out from your system is the only thing that you need to do, then simply right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select sign out. It will sign you out from your Microsoft account or log you off from your Microsoft account temporarily. But if you wish to use a local account instead of the Microsoft account, then select settings from this menu, go to the accounts tab, scroll down, select sign in information, select your account, your info, and then you can go to this option here, manage your accounts, or you can select this option, sign in with a local account instead, and then click on next, enter the pin, and then you can create a new local account by entering these words. I won't do it because I don't want to log into a local account. It will what do we say, cancel the video that I'm recording. But you need to enter the passwords here and password hint, and then click on next and then sign out and finish. When you sign out and finish, you will sign out from your Microsoft account and log in to the local account. But if you wish to totally sign out from the account from your system and then log in using a different account, then right click, shut down or sign out, and then sign out from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.